Hi guys, it's actress Melody over here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is a video mixed with photos of how my family and I welcomed Saizet Reborn when she came visiting. We gave her a warm welcome. She will never forget. That's my brother. He went to pick her from the car, akimsalimia hapo, greetings kidogo kidogo, wakiongeaongea. Lazima tu watu wapige moshene. I mean, ukitembea tu lazima mpige moshene. Yeah, wakiongeaongea hapo. That is me over there. Msijali nilikuwa na reflector, mdhani mimi ni dereva wa boda. I just had, I was the one receiving the guests, so I had to wear the reflectors so that watani recognize, wajue mwenye anawaendea. Yeah, and this here, all of them are the family members just doing greetings kidogo kidogo hapa na pale, wanasalimiana kidogo kidogo. Yeah, actually walisalimiana tu ile kidogo kidogo, just hi, just saying hi to the guest, welcoming her, giving her a warm welcome to make her feel at home. Yeah, and she actually felt at home. Yeah, it was really nice having her. It was really nice having Saizet Reborn visit us, you know. Yeah, and that's a video of her still greeting some family members here and there. Msijali niko wapi sisalimiwi. Mimi nilikuwa na shughuli mingi za kumshughulikia huku na huko. So I didn't have the time, but we took some pictures. Yeah, and that was all. And here is at my brother's place. Akakuja kutuimbia kidogo. Hakuja kutuimbia hizo nyimbo zake kidogo. Hapa tulikuwa tunapiga moshene na yeye. I was telling her something. Hapa ni bado akituimbisha. We sang very nice. Gosh, sikujua naweza imba hivyo until that day. Niliimba, tuliimba. Actually everybody sang, danced very much. And I was very happy. I mean, it's been long since I danced or since I sang in that way. So I was really happy. Yeah, but msiseme eti nilidance ama niliimba kwa sababu Saizet alikuwa. Yeah, that is us still giving us the hit of our song. Ilikuwa ina hit, by the way. It was very nice. Hapo ni time alikuwa anaingia. Hapa bado ni tukiimba, tukaendelea kuimba, and everyone was really happy. Everyone was really happy by her singing everything. We were very happy. Yeah, hapo sasa ni venye walikuwa wanaongea na watu wake. Yeah, kidogo kidogo tu walikuwa wanaongea na watu wake wamalizane, and then tuendelea session. So yeah, and we were very happy having her. Actually, she's a vibe, guys. Saizet Reborn is a vibe. She's a vibe. That's my brother's wife. Yeah, walikuwa wanaongea kidogo kidogo hapa, kuchukuliwa picha, you know, people. Yeah, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, share and subscribe guys. Na usisahau kutap the notification icon so that when I post it can reach to you. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.